guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today is going to be on how to cut a 6 pieces skirt using net lace material. The first thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to fold this into two with 26 inches. So like this. So now this is 13 inches and 13 inches into 2, making 26 inches. You can see this is into 2, 1, 2. So now the length I'm going to do with now is going to be 42 inches of the length. The band is going to be 40. The hips is going to be 45. So now I'm going to start with the interval. So starting with the interval here, I'm using 4.5 into 2, making 9. It's going to be 9. So let me measure the length. The length here that I'm using is going to be 42. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 43.5. So this is 43.5. You can see. So from this 43, I'm going to make a line. So the interval is still 9. 9 from here. This is my 9. So from here, I'm going to measure my knee measurement. From up to the knee, I'm using 18. So I'm going to make a line, the 4.5 inches. Be a straight line up. As you can see, this is 4 inches. This is 4 inches. 4.5 inches. This is also 4.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Now I'm going to, from the knee side, I'm going to make a slant line to the bottom. Like this. Then I'm going to cut my skirt. So this is it. This is the one that is going to stay at the middle. This is 1 pieces. So the next thing here is to cut a mini 5 pieces. 2 again. So the next thing here is that I've already folded this into 2. Now the one that is going to stay at the sides. So I'm using the same length for the 2, which is 26 inches. If you check here now, it's probably 26. Yes, this is 26 inches. And this is into 2 for the 2 side that is going to stay at the front. So the next thing to do here is that I'm going to fold this into the way it was before. Then place it on this. I'm going to place it here. You can see the way I placed it. This is I'm going to place it. You can see I face it to the other side here. So now I'm going to cut it out like this. Like this. You can see I've cut it out. So the next thing to do here is that I should face it to each other back like this. And see the way I do it. Like this. So now I'm going to take the main measurement. So I told you earlier that the measurement for the band here is going to be 40. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 42. So 40 into 4, this is 10. But with the allowance, I'm going to make it 10 and a half, making 42. Making 42 here. So from here, to determine my hips, I'm going to measure 9. To determine the hips, I'm measuring 9. So from this 9, I told you my hips is 45. So plus the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 40. This is 47 with sewing allowance. So I'm going to trace this to the knee side, which is 18. It's 18. The knee side is 18 here. The knee over here, I'm going to trace it to here. It's going to be 18. It's 18. So here I'm going to measure 11. So 11 into 4, that's 44. That's the tightness of the knee side. So to the hips here, then to the band, then down to the main leg. Now I'm going to sketch it. I'm going to cut the sketch out. So this is the one that is going to stay at the middle, and these are the two that we're going to stay at the sides. You can see our 6 pieces is now complete. So this is 3 pieces that is going to stay at the front, like this, and this other one like this. So now I'm going to cut those ones that are going to stay at the back. The next thing you're going to do is that just pick one of these ones that we cut and place it on your fabric. So you can see I fold it into 2 as well. So to deduct the other side. Now I've already cut these two sides, so it will make two. Since it's going to be 4, the one with hips is going to be 4, so I cut out 2 the other time. So now I'm going to place this on this to cut out the remaining 2. So this is how it's going to stay. I'm going to place this very well now. Okay, I'll now cut it out. I'm starting from here. So you should be very careful because this type of fabric is very line to each other. That's why I'm very slow. The way I'm cutting it to check it out, so I will not cut the inside. So here is it. You can see. So this particular one make it 4 pieces. So it will make the back that I'm going to cut out. So to place the third and the last one, so I'll fold this into 2 again. So this is the one that is going to stay at the middle and the back. So I will place it on it now to cut it out. So now I've placed it on it. So the next thing now is I'm going to cut it out. So these are the 2 that's going to stay at the middle, the front middle and the back middle. These are the 2. So this is the 2 that is going to stay at the middle, the back and the front. So here's my 6 pieces. These are the front, this is the front, and this is also the front. This is 3 pieces at the front, and this is also 3 pieces at the back. So the next thing now is the joining. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.